Hey everyone, so it's your girl Cosmic Wonderland, and today is an IPSY bag opening. As you can tell, it's got its signature pink bubble wrap, which was a bit of an inspiration for this look, and you'll see why I went with the fake leather choker in a minute. First things first, I want to tell you guys what the glam bag is about. This month of September is Like a Boss. And as you can tell, it is fake leather. Sorry, my phone screen's really dirty. The fake leather also has studs on it. So I was feeling the rebel vibe today, and I went ahead, got my punk rock, my emo inspired, my rebel to the core look going on. So let's get on with opening this glam bag. How cute! Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And as you guys can see, the studs and the fake leather was also an inspiration for this makeup look that I did today. Super cute. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's got purple on the inside. I like that. They always come with a little card. And here we go. Blush from IPSY by Petra. It's a peach rose. Fresh face blush. I'll gift that. I don't really use blush, but if I wanted to, now I have a blush. A ColourPop product. I'm pretty sure this is a lip gloss. Yes, it is. Ultra Glossy Lip. Ooh, another full size. Oh my gosh. Is this matte? No, it's a gloss, duh. Just watch it. Oh wow, that's really pretty. This, oh my gosh, love, 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 love that color. These are powder cleanser by Papaya. Oh, with papaya enzyme by Hanali. I'm not really sure. Anyways. Oh, there's one more. I knew that. I was like, I'm missing something. A Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Radiant. Awesome. I'm sure I'll do a makeup look using all of these, and you guys will get to be there and experience that. Hey everyone, so I'm wearing the ColourPop lip gloss, and to be honest, I'm in love with it. I'm seriously in love with it. But in the midst of today, I realized I'm a dada. I'm a freaking dada. And I really thought I was going to get more in my IPSY bag. Well, I did, and I didn't realize because it wasn't in the actual September Like a Boss bag. So it was actually still in the pink envelope. So my bad. So sorry. I'm adding this in all random kabobulatedly. Anyways, so I also got the Lily Whitening and Brightening. I think that these are a sheet mask. Yes, these are sheet masks. So one is for Lily Whitening and Brightening. The other one is a mugwort, astringent, and pore care. I don't know. These seem to be some type of Japanese or made in China product, so I'm not familiar with it. But anyways, now you guys can't say that I forgot something, because I didn't. I remembered later. Anyways, bye. Stay fantabulous. Rock on. Enjoy your leather. And as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye.